Hello. I'm just hanging out here in Big Joe, on Big Joe, and just thinking about space. And thinking, what kind of food do they eat in space? You know, they eat food just like us. They eat a lot of processed food. They eat high sodium food and sugary food. Why? Because it keeps pretty well in space. And they eat a lot of their food in airtight containers, packaged airtight. And some of their food, most of their food, has Velcro attached to it, so it won't fly away into the stars. In space, they don't eat cookies. They don't eat bread or crackers because they're so crumbly, and all those crumbs flying everywhere. In space, their tongues don't get much saliva, so that means their taste buds don't work very much. So they eat a lot of spicy foods because it's not as spicy. It's just a little spicy, and it makes food taste good. In space, they eat canned food. They eat fresh food. They eat freeze-dried food. Freeze-dried food was created for the Gemini project for NASA. They would take food and they would freeze-dry it, basically a 3-step process. I know when you think of freeze-dried food, you probably think of this. Astronaut Ice Cream. And it is freeze-dried. On the back it says, this space treat is frozen to -40 degrees, then vacuum dried and placed in a special polyfoil pouch. Freeze-dried foods are used by astronauts eating under weightless conditions in space. It was developed for early Apollo missions. So did they eat astronaut ice cream in space? Absolutely not! Because just like bread and cookies, it'll crumble and go everywhere. Heck no are they gonna eat this. It's too darn crumbly. But am I gonna taste it now? Heck yes. I love a mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. Look at that. Oh boy. Get her done. Crumbling. Space.
Sorry.